Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming compatibility. Your iPhone must run iOS 13 or later because that unlocks external drive support. Once done, attach a powered SSD or use a USB adapter with its own power. This prevents the phone from draining or failing to mount the disk. Make sure the cable is MFI certified when using Lightning, or use direct USB-C for newer iPhones. This reduces handshake errors and speeds discovery. You plug the SSD into the adapter, then into the iPhone. Give the system a few seconds to enumerate the device, because mounting can take time on first use. If the drive doesn't appear, it's likely formatted in an incompatible file system, so make sure to format to exFAT on a computer beforehand. This preserves large files and is broadly supported. Once mounted, open Files, tap Browse, then Locations to see and navigate the external drive. You now transfer by dragging within Files or by selecting Share right arrow Save to files from any app. This lets you copy photos, videos, and documents to the SSD. Make sure to eject the drive before disconnecting. Tap the eject icon or close Files, because abrupt removal can corrupt data. If the drive isn't recognized, try a different cable or adapter and confirm the SSD has external power. If problems persist, reformat to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.